Every single day, lightning strikes the Earth 8.6 million times, with each bolt powerful enough to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Imagine the raw energy behind a single flash, a natural phenomenon so intense it could power a city block for a fleeting moment. This electric marvel doesn't just light up the sky, it's a direct connection between the heavens and the ground, a high-voltage spectacle that scientists are still striving to fully understand. As these bolts dance across the globe, they don't just illuminate clouds but also spark wildfires, create nitrogen oxides that fertilize the soil, and even contribute to the Earth's electrical balance. The next time you see a storm, remember the hidden potential in each strike, a reminder of nature's untamed power that's as astonishing as it is beautiful.